Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel MatheMagic by Varuna. Now in today's video we will understand what are intersecting lines. Now by the word lines means that we have two or more lines. Now if there is a point P which is common to say two lines L and M, then we say that P is the point of intersection of the two lines L and M. Let us understand this through visualizing it. Say I have one of the lines as L and I have another line, say M. Now these two lines, they pass through a common point P. They pass through this point which is common to both of them. Hence we say this is the point of intersection and these two lines L and M, they become intersecting lines. Hence, if the lines have any common point where they meet, they are called intersecting lines, and the common point becomes the point of intersection. Now let us see an example where the lines are not intersecting lines. Say I have one line as this, say Q, and let's take another line, say R. Now, when we see these two lines, they will never meet because the distance between them will always be same. They are parallel lines. They are not intersecting lines. Hence, these are not intersecting lines. Now, let us move on and see a few examples of intersecting lines. Now, here, when you see the first example, which is the road crossing. Now, here at the crossing, if we make the lines, these lines are intersecting each other at a common point. Okay, hence it's an example of intersecting lines. Now, when we see the blades of scissor also intersect each other at a common point. When we see the window panes, now here when we make the lines, they also intersect each other. And the addition sign, which is the plus sign, here also if we make these lines, actually the lines of the plus signs are also intersecting. Hence, this is also an example of intersecting lines. Now, I invite you guys to tell me a few lines which are intersecting lines. Write down in the comments and please follow for more such videos. Thank you so much.